outside. And it's 12 p.m. pero maambon. So nagdala ko ng payong. And nakapag 1 hour and 30 minutes walk ako. Dahil bumili ako ng, nakita ko ng ano, corn. Tapos meron na sa O-Save ng tuna belly. Meron na rin salmon. Kompleto na sila. Meron na rin silang marine steak. Diba? Ang dami, ang galing. Tapos sa 7-Eleven, milk. Para sa coffee for later. So yun, nakaano ko. Ang galing. Sulit yung pagod. Tapos, mag-adobo sana ako. Wala. Ay, oo, meron nga pala akong gulay. May gulay din ako. Ano na. Pwede ko siyang ngat-ngatin for later. Oh. See? Ang dami. Tapos pag 1 hour and 30 minutes walk pa ako. So, oh my God. Ang galing ko.
Grabe yung confidence ko.
This is my first meal of the day.
So, dapat nawawala itong
Sharing, kumain na ako ng lumpia. Pwede ko na rin yung meal prep ko. Ito yung chicken breast na binili ko. And, nilagay sa freezer last weekend. So, ngayon, niluto ko na siya. See, hindi mo kailangang iluto agad yung mga pagkain. So, it's my second week na. Tapos, ang dami pang natirang chicken breast. So, tipid talaga siya. So, since niluto ko na siya kasama yung gulay, pwede ko na siyang kainin this week. Kasi, pang 4 days din to. Or 2 days. Depende sa gutom ko.
apps on Do Not Disturb. So we use our phone for a certain purpose with intentionality. So we
Magna 9 na.
notifications.
Pero,
Maybe we just delete at least
food
3
is life.
times.
Kailangan kumain mo. 9 ang work ko.
The hard thing first. The thing is, resistance is a signal, not a stop sign. If I don't do it, I don't get the task away. Whether that's one I'm doing practice, whether that's finding someone you never responding to me. So that's saying, like, your mind, which is like, seriously, do it. No overthinking, no negotiating. You literally just do it. You give yourself a chance to think about it. Just go to the next one. Just do it. You can go to
Gusto lang kong gawin na ano. Kasi wala. Ganun ako mag-work. Since naman tomorrow. Ay, yung coffee is your coffee. Tapos, honey.
Just face it. You're feeling relief. You're going to concentrate for about 10 minutes to do it. When you feel relief, when you feel this feeling, it creates such an emotional connection with your own self. This is such a great trust building. It shows you that you can just do it. It's not a matter of your hands don't work, your feet don't work. It's actually all your mind. It's someone else. But what before, whether you think you can do it and you think you can't do it, you will go right. This is how I want you to rewire.
Ang ganda niyo, ang ganda mo.
It's a challenge and not a threat. You need to say this to yourself. I do the uncomfortable things. That's why I love that. A lot of work with my other side of difficult conversations. And one difficult decision that your mind is working. They say on the second last day. I already know you're doing. The only thing I want you to do then is to stay consistent. Even if it is ugly. You stay consistent. Even if it's no skipping, no spiraling, no starting. Today might feel busy. Today might feel messy. Today might feel off. You just want to work out. The afternoon not busy. This is your only stay consistent anyway. So you have to work out. Guys, I love 10 minutes. So here's your affirmation. One thing I'm going to do next is get your next way on the power of discipline isn't showing up when things are perfect. That's something that I'm talking about this week. 2T. Isn't showing up even when it's not ideal. One is better than perfect. Whatever you do, it still counts. You don't skip days, you steal them. This is a great time to develop. Today we're going to reflect on the past 6 days. First, we're going to celebrate ourselves. We just celebrate and not we did one thing every single day for our self-discipline. Ask yourself throughout these past 6 days what clicked for you. Was it the habit stacking? Was it doing the hard thing first? Was it having more why? Was it setting a very up for success? So what is still hard for you to get over? Maybe it is habit stacking. Maybe it's no matter how much you shift your environment, you still don't want to do that thing. That's also really important. It's not a bad thing, but why? Why is it so hard for us to do? So mental block we have. Then we start off for success. Now it's a mindset thing. Out of these 6 days, I don't have habits that we commit to one habit and keep going forward with it. So break your process week or what surprised you this week. What did this week teach you about discipline? How do I want to keep with me for next week and why do I want to do that? Because here's the thing, at the end of the 6 days, the end of these 7 days, it's not the end. It's really the beginning of your new self.
Hindi ako dikit sa
You just
Kasi,
started. This is really, 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 so maybe you solo lot. There's also ways to kind of close this week. And why not? A week is enough for you. And if you want to see how all of the tips and tricks that I'm giving you in these videos apply to my personal everyday life, go ahead and check out my Glow Diaries. That's another series, more vlog.
Work.